Switchgear are designed to protect electrical components and equipment within the electrical system from things like short circuit faults and overload faults. The main purposes of switchgear are control, regulation, and protection. Well, switchgear is not really a single item. It's a group of components that have been assembled together that represent a switchgear. We can refer to all of these perhaps as a switchgear assembly. Here is a low voltage circuit breaker. This is the front part of the circuit breaker, the bit that you would see normally if you were looking at it within the plant. This is the side here, which you wouldn't normally see. The bit at the back, which connects to the bus bars. The side again. And here we are again, standing in the position of where the operator would stand. You can see that we've got some indications here concerning if the breaker is open or closed. Got buttons here such as push to close. We've got a lever here which we actually use to put tension on a spring. Let's do a quick run through the components. At the base of the switchgear we've got our voltage transformers, also referred to as potential transformers, which are a type of instrument transformer. They're going to measure the voltage on this conductor here and convert that voltage to a lower voltage and pass the signal onto items such as our protection relays. We've got some cables that come in here. We've got an earthing switch here, or one per phase. They're usually interlocked with the circuit breaker itself. These bus bars look to be insulated already. You can see that here. The bus bar, the electrical conducting part would be this aluminium piece here. I guess aluminium, or if it was a different color, maybe copper. And around it we've got this sheath, this polymer based material, and that is an insulator. If we come up here, you can see that the compartment is sealed off.